Okay, let's start. Good morning, grade 6.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Last week, we learned about addition and subtraction of fractions. And this week, we'll be learning about fractions involving mixed operations. We will know what is the meaning of mixed operations later. But before that, let us read the vocabularies. I will read. I want you to listen properly, and then I will call you later, okay? Number 1, multiply. Number 2, divide. Number 3, add. Number 4, subtract. Number 5, least common multiple. Number 6, simplify. Number 7, parenthesis. I'll repeat again. 1, multiply. 2, divide. 3, add. 4, subtract. 5, least common multiple. 6, simplify. 7, parenthesis. Let's start with Jenny.
Multiply.
What number are you?
Divide, add, subtract, least common multiple, simplify,
Parenthesis.
parenthesis.
Very good. Thank you. Next will be Pang.
Multiply, divide, add, subtract, least common multiply, simplify, parentheses.
Can you please repeat number 5? Least common multiple.
Least common multiple.
Very good. Thank you. Next, view.
Multiply, divide, add, subtract, less common multiply, simplify, parentheses.
Can you repeat number 5? Least common multiple.
Least common multiple.
Very good. Thank you. Jan, please read.
Multiple, divide, add, subtract, least common multiple, simplify, parentheses.
Parenthesis. Okay, very good. Can you repeat?
Parentheses.
Can you repeat number 1? Multiply.
Multiply,
Very good. Thank you for that. Next, Haru.
Multiply, divide, add, subtract, least common multiple, simplify, parentheses.
Very good. Thank you for that. Next, Taimo.
Multiply, divide, add, subtract, least common multiple, simplify, parentheses.
Very good. Thank you. Next, Ping Pong.
Multiply, divide, add, subtract, this common multiply, simplify,
Parenthesis.
parentheses.
Number 5, least common multiple.
Least common multiple.
Very good. Thank you for that. Next, 9.
Multiply, divide, add, subtract, least common multiple, simplify, parentheses.
Very good. And last one, ต้นข่าว
multiply, divide, add, subtract, list common multiple, simplify, parentheses.
Very good. Thank you for reading the vocabulary. Let's move on to our main topic for today. We have the letters that represents the words here. We call this one order of operation. So we have P, E, M, D, A, S. First, what is operation or mathematical operation? These are the symbols that we use when we are solving numbers. So we have the order of operation to follow when we are solving mixed operations in fractions. So P stands for parenthesis or bracket. Next, E stands for exponent. Next, M stands for multiply or times. D stands for divide. Okay, next, A stands for add or plus. And S stands for what?
S stands for subtraction.
Subtraction or minus. So when we are solving, we follow this. If we don't have the parentheses, let's check for the exponent. But if we don't have P and E, we always solve the numbers that have multiplication, division, add, or subtract. Let's look at some example here. So first, we have 6 and 5 over 8 divided by 3 over 4 plus 2 and 2 over 3. We will solve 6 and 5 over 8 divided by 3 over 4. So we have some steps to follow here. First is to convert the mixed number to improper fractions. So we will write it like this. Next, we follow PEMDAS. So we have division and addition, meaning we will solve the fractions with division first. Let's start by getting the reciprocal of 3 over 4, which is 4 over 3. And then after that, use cancellation method. The answer is 53 over 6. Then after that, we will use addition here. So we have 53 over 6 plus 8 over 3. Next step is to find the LCM of 6 and 3, which is 6. After that, we solve it. Next is we will add the numerator. So 53 plus 16 equals
69.
Let's see. So 69 over 6. Last step is we will convert this into mixed number and then we will simplify. Convert to mixed number. So 69 divided by 6.
Okay.
Let's see. 11 and 3 over 6. And if we will simplify, the answer is 11 and 1 over 2. Do you understand this? Is it clear? Okay, let's move on to the next example. 10 and 1 over 6 divided by 2 and 3 over 4 minus 2 and 2 over 3. So this time, the operations here are division and subtraction, but we have a parenthesis. So meaning we will solve the fractions within the parenthesis or bracket. So first is we convert this to improper fraction. 61 over 6 divided by 19 over 9 minus 5 over 3. Next, start solving within the bracket. So we will get the LCM of 9 and 3, which is 9. 61 over 6 divided by 19 over 9 minus 5 times 3 over 3 times 3. Then we will subtract the numerator here. The answer is 53 over 6 divided by 4 over 9. Next step, we will get the reciprocal of 4 over 9, which is 9 over 4. Next, we will use cancellation method to get the answer. So we have 61 over 2 times 3 over 4. And then the improper fraction is 183 over 8. Next is we will convert this one and simplify. The final answer is 22 and 7 over 8 since we cannot simplify the fraction. That's all for today. And thank you for joining the class. I'll see you again on Thursday. So bye-bye.
Bye bye.